most popular metals on Earth are gold and silver, and it's high time the two came head-to-head in one of our videos. Are you ready to take this shiny adventure with us? Then buckle up. This challenge is starting. Sarah, look at this ginormous KitKat. It's fallen right from the heavens. My half is silver. And mine's gold. Don't hog it. I want a bite. What have you done? Look at us. Sarah, where'd you go? I'm done with the aftermath of that explosion. Before we get into it, we need to tidy up a bit in here. I don't really think that's necessary. Better to dig in already. Ooh. Wow, silver gummy eyeballs. Hey, Emma, look over here. What kind of silly joke is that? Stop messing around. All right, calm down. I'm just trying to have some fun. Let's go ahead and lift these lids and get to eating things. Oh, that was fast. A real speed record for eating candy eyes. I'm not sure I can live up to that performance, though. Not a bad start. Well done. It looks like there's a smudge on this one. I should wipe them all down. I had no idea you were such a clean freak, but I can use that to my favor. Huh? Emma, stop! That is highly unsanitary. Just look at how filthy those are. My expertise tells me that they're dangerous even. I need to confiscate these now.
Oh no!
Really? Oh goodness, I had no idea that was the case. In the name of safety, these gummy candies will be destroyed. This bites. I was really looking forward to them. So sorry, but I'll take the bullet for you. Delish. What? You tricked me! Huh?
Hey!
It was just a little joke. Don't be so dramatic. Wow! Wow! Where'd this huge box come from? I don't know what I should go for first. But I guess I'll lift my lid. So I just put all these burger ingredients right into the box? Why not see what happens? Sarah, what's going on? Wow! We're about to find out.
Okay.
Whoa! The magic box made me a golden burger. It tastes divine. That looks amazing. What do I have? Ooh, the same start as you did. Great. I'm gonna toss all this inside here as quick as can be. Wow! Wow, it's working. Emma, give me a hand, would you? Just lift it up. Ooh, my shiny silver burger is ready. I'm so excited. Ew, what's that awful taste? How'd a piece of foil end up in there?
What?
I'm not risking eating any more. I guess something went sort of wrong while it was being prepared. Good thing mine is perfect. I wouldn't be so sure about that. On second thought, hand me some sauce, Emma. I'll give my dish another shot and fix yours while I'm at it. Let's see how you like this. Here you go, Sarah. Thanks so much. This will fix everything, I'm sure. So much better. I'm happy that you're happy now. Both of us can really enjoy our meals, I guess, then. Well, that's strange. I can't sink my teeth into mine. I don't understand. Huh? Sarah, how'd this get here? Haven't a clue. Me first. Why? I want to. No, Me? Fine, if you insist on being rude. Gold cookies? Amazing! They look like tons of gold coins. Only thing missing is milk. Ugh, the perfect combination. Sarah, stop staring at me already. I wasn't staring. I've got my own dish. Thank you very much. Whoa, and it's even better. I'm happy with what I have. Good, that means you won't get in my way. So much frosting. I'm diving right in. That looks disgusting. Who cares? Still tastes great. And you were right. This definitely needs milk. And I'll require a whole bucket of it for my cookie. Bombs away. No, Sarah, don't! I told you not to drop it like that.
Okay.
I'm definitely going first this time.
Wow!
Wow, silver donuts. I don't think you'll be able to pick them up so easily. Got my trusty magnet. They must be glued to the table. I can't grab any of them. All right. I'll help you out. Ah, they're flying. And now I'm left with just the one. That's what you get, Emma. Now I'll just sit here and starve. I hope I get to eat something. Wow, that will be more than enough to fill me up. You could share, you know. Gimme. No, it's mine. Let's look together. What a huge syringe. I've never seen anything like this. But what's inside? Can I give yours a taste? Why not? Ooh, I like it. Thanks. And now let's see what's in mine. Also yummy. Okay, return the favor.
Okay.
No problem. I am a champion shooter after all. Open wide. Emma, you completely missed my mouth. I'm soaked now.
Hey!
Sorry, it was an accident. Let me try one more time. No, thank you. Now look at me.
Oh, come on!
That makes us even. I suggest we help each other out this time. I think we both got the same kind of pizza. That's weird. They're so plain. But I can change that. I'll just sprinkle some gold on top.
Okay.
Just look at how well this is working. I can't wait to try a slice. Gold goes perfectly with pizza. Who knew? Oh, I'm drooling uncontrollably. I need to add some toppings to my pizza too. I'll just follow Emma's lead for that. Hey, that's not what I was going for at all. Nuts and bolts aren't appetizing in the least bit. Careful not to chip a tooth if you're brave enough to take a bite. That's all, folks. Our sparkly challenge has come to an end. We hope it's helped you to finally decide what you love more, gold, silver, or our videos. If it's the last option, then subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss a thing.